Food is one of the main sustenances of life. But so many of us are wasting a lot of food. This hurts our budget and even the environment. To counteract this, we've created an elegant solution for you. Introducing SEALVAC, the world's first cordless UV vacuum sealer. SEALVAC can be used in the most convenient way anytime, anywhere. Your food will stay fresh for up to 5 times longer with SEALVAC. By vacuum packaging it, you'll even save a ton of fridge space. And it can easily be used indoors or outdoors. The SEALVAC also comes with 3 UVC LEDs. These lights sterilize the section of the bag that is being sealed, so that you can store food for a longer period of time in a safer and more effective way. The SEALVAC is able to achieve powerful performance through its Samsung batteries. To charge, simply use a C-type cable. When fully charged, it can be used 80 times. A silicone plate has also been placed along the heating wire to prevent heat damage. This means that SEALVAC can be used consecutively without the risk of overheating. It also comes with a vertical stand so that you can use your kitchen space more efficiently. Best of all, SEALVAC is super intuitive. Start and finish vacuum sealing by pressing the Auto button once. When packaging foods with a lot of liquids, use the Manual button to control the level of vacuum sealing. This can also be used to marinate meats for sous vide style cooking. With a wine stopper, you can even preserve leftover wine. SEALVAC is also compatible with other existing sealing bags or containers. Experience a new paradigm of food preparation and cooking in the most convenient way. With the cordless UV food vacuum sealer, SEALVAC.